Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Coinseries. In this video, I'll be sharing 3 headlines. First off is this one about the crypto basic wallets, which saw an XRP rise of 102% to over 5 million. And everyone is waiting to see when precisely this occurred. Because it's remarkable that XRP adoption is through the roof despite all the garbage that we've had to endure as XRP holders in recent years, especially from the SEC. Oh my god, those pricks. This might be a key indicator of XRP's sustainability in the long run. I believe yes. Behold this headline that you published today. New 10-year milestone attained by XRP whales. Additional news includes the announcement that Medico HSBC and Ripple have entered the $10 trillion crypto custody industry. The article's intriguing focus on the changing ripple effect is one of the main reasons I want to share it with you. It is a result of progress. On the whole, it's a positive thing. But the message being communicated to the general public is evolving. We're not just a fintech company that processes payments across borders anymore. The first thing that comes out of Brad Garland's lips is something along the lines of yeah, we're a crypto company, enterprise level, which isn't necessarily related to XRP. I refuse to believe for ASE Condominium that this indicates a lack of enthusiasm for XRP on their part. Further acceptance of XRP is revealed by all publicly available data and anything they release openly. Its value as a bridge currency highlighted Ripple's paramount importance. There are other things that Ripple is doing besides that. In any case, that's how I perceive it. But before I go any further, let me be clear, I come from absolutely no financial background. Please do not base your investment decisions on anything I say because I am not a financial advisor. For fun, I'm just a hobbyist that occasionally makes videos for YouTube discussing various aspects of the cryptocurrency industry. Additionally, for the sake of enjoyment. Once again, this is the top story, even though it has 0% XRP but a 102% increase to almost 5 million details. Over the past 3 years, the number of crypto market players holding XRP has increased significantly, topping 5 million, a growth rate of 102%. Notable market intelligence firm Santiment has brought this new development and an article about X to the public's notice. The XRP ledger has reached a major milestone, with 5.2 million unique wallets, as announced in the article Santiment. In particular, some wallets contain XRP currency that do not balance to zero. For the record, the XRP ledger has been in existence for more than a decade of public trading, and this amount is an all-time high. In addition, take note of how the amount of wallets with XRP balances greater than zero has increased by more than 100% in the past 3 years. To be more precise, this tally has grown by 104% since February 10, 2021. Okay, folks, that was about 3 years ago, wasn't it? Roughly 3 years ago, this occurred immediately following Ripple's lawsuit filed by the SEC, which may be seen as an assault on all of us XRP holders. You have increased by more than double that amount since then. Throughout nearly all of the time frame, XRP lacked clarification from a legal standpoint. It was July of last year when we finally received that, as you are well aware. That being said, isn't it breathtaking? Actually, I'll show you the XRP Ritualist website right here. The appearance of this can be observed all the way back to April 2022. My apologies, April. No, I think that's correct. Yes, I understand. Yeah, I stated that. So that's the deal. I see. I understand. Yes, it is visible to the naked eye. It continued to intensify without fail. Wow, that's amazing. Reason being, that was the most worst thing that could have happened to the whole town. The effect on the whole XRP system, too. Yes, it is correct. Nevertheless, the process of adoption persists. We must be onto something here, since I feel like there's more to this than meets the eye. This is just mind-blowing. Furthermore, it appears to me that we have a decade of history behind us. It's not heading in the wrong way, the network effect has reached its practical limit. Moreover, it has increased by 300% in the past 5 years, as they pointed out. Just over 5 million XRP wallets, a little over 500 F5, and I recall that there were fewer than 700,000 when I first started investing in cryptocurrency in 2017. The current situation is evident. Therefore, I just believe that once we enter a new euphoric phase of the market cycle, it will simply outstrip all others in terms of market activity and price action. How it could not outshine what happened in late 2017 and early 2018 is beyond me. It is difficult to understand when XRP reaches a new record high. From a macro perspective, everything appears to be going swimmingly if Bitcoins continue to achieve fresh all-time highs. And XRP has achieved this degree of acceptance. The thing is, it never actually occurred. For some reason, I find that nearly incomprehensible. Without a doubt, the whales have a good idea of what's going on, particularly the playful whales who become all wet and wild. I would like to read the entire article, so I have attached the YouTube video to it. Since they are reporting on stats from sanitation, I simply have one small issue to make about this. They also write about sandmans. A recent tweet disclosed that there are currently 5.2 million wallets on the XRP ledger that hold more than 0 XRP currency. According to the research, this is the most whale addresses that XRP has had in its whole public trading history, which spans over a decade. How about that instead? I can't wait to see what happens in 2024, that's exactly what I was hoping for. It's possible, and I'll admit it, that things get really bearish. And that would be awful. However, I am genuinely quite hopeful that we will witness some significant fireworks towards the end of the year. Even the first half of that year has the potential to be thrilling, but that's outside the point of this video. I've already covered that ground in my previous films. Therefore, I will not repeat all of it. But I'm really hopeful about the near and medium future. I believe that XRP holders will finally get theirs, but we'll have to wait and see. The Chief Technology Officer of Ripple also just announced a strategic partnership with Medico to enter the $10 trillion crypto custody market. Look at this, HSBC, it's a brilliant move for Ripple's diversification. Simply put, it's not a good idea to put all your crypto eggs in one basket, and this is just one more reason why. Because if you're not diversified, you can miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to profit from the advent of cryptocurrency and the life-altering wealth it delivers. It makes sense to me that Ripple is taking these steps to secure their business for the future. They are implementing measures such as on-demand liquidity with XRP serving as a bridge currency and other similar initiatives. But they are also taking other measures that will be necessary as the crypto asset class gains traction in the market. Pieces of the strategic move by Ripple CTO David Schwartz into the anticipated $10 trillion crypto custody industry with major players like Medico and HSBC have been traded. His latest interview on the Thinking Crypto podcast was when he brought up the idea. In particular, the discussion lighted on Ripple's acquisition of custody-focused firm Medico, as reported last year. The host then asked about the details of these moves, including whether HSBC would incorporate the XRP ledger into its operations, and whether Ripple would form a partnership with global banking giant HSBC. Schwartz responded by saying that Ripple needed a comprehensive solution to become a one-stop shop for institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies, which is why they decided to go into the custodial scene. A secure custody solution was an integral part of his concept for a platform that would allow users to tokenize and make payments using the XRP ledger, which he emphasized. So, I'll take a moment to say that his question was totally reasonable. But think about it, if Ripple were to suddenly jump into possession of XRP, the entire damn planet would be legally clear. For some reason, XRP is omitted from that as well. Someone from Ripple will find validation in that. As a result, all I can tell is that it will be there. Peace remains, however. In addition, according to Schwartz, institutions that are interested in entering the cryptocurrency market would seek out a provider that offers custody, liquidity services, payment solutions, and connectivity to on- and off-ramps. He even went so far as to say that adding custody would make Ripple the leading enterprise solution provider in the market. If he is correct, Ripple would be in a difficult situation, especially considering how strongly they support XRP. Could that potentially benefit XRP? I believe the answer is yes once again. Permit us to proceed this way. Following an evaluation of multiple startups, Ripple bought Medico in May 2023, as stated by the company's chief technology officer. According to his own admission, the most significant deal in March was worth $250 million. Schwartz also predicted that the custody industry will be worth $10 trillion by 2030, highlighting its importance. The custody industry is projected to reach a staggering $10 trillion by the year 2030. That will just turn into, quote, "SE condominium chores as tokenization continues to rise." Let that sink in. Consider the following: in 2036, our market cap will have increased from its current level of roughly $1.51 trillion to $10 trillion. Naturally, it will depend on the stage of the market cycle we're in. Even with less volatility than now, there will still be some by that point. Since cryptocurrency has the potential to utterly devastate individuals, it's wise to avoid getting caught up in the emotional side of things when dealing with it on a daily basis. On the other hand, I am convinced that it will be that big in 2030 if I only use a ripple effect mentality. Whatever that pie turns out to be, don't you believe XRP will have a portion of it? In your opinion, XRP will continue to rank among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. I fail to perceive any reason why that couldn't be the case. However, there is no assurance. What will cause it to be unseated is because it is excellent at its job. Clearly, the cryptocurrency community as a whole has come to the conclusion that a coin with exceptional payment capabilities would have a home in the industry. The XRP ledger itself is very functioning, which is great news for XRP. Because of its built-in decentralized exchange, the first of its kind, XRP has several potential uses. If the news is good, so like my video and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.